Our yard's flooding bad. Again. Let's go look. 12:49.
Jamie,
What?
what's done in 2 minutes? Look out there now.
Okay. Right about there. There was a yellow piece of paper. And the water was only... Let me put up against it. The water was about where the tree is. The second tree. Now it's already passed.
Okay, I just wanted to get that out of the way so you could be aware of that.
Son of a bitch.
Wider view, put this into motion so you can see the portion of the storm that we're talking about continues to be this area right here. So Gallatin, we're very concerned about you. If you're in the Gallatin area, you certainly need to be in your place of safety. Small room, lowest level, putting as many walls as possible between you and the storm. That's the most key thing I can tell you. And I'm going to put a new track on this. As this does move eastward at 35 miles per hour, the area we're concerned about includes, if you have times and places here, it includes Peytona, Cedar Grove, Gallatin. This would reach you at 12:57. That's 6 minutes away. Southgate Shopping Center. This reaches you at 12:57, also 6 minutes away. Union Hills, 1 o'clock.
You need to go out to the back. That's what I got standing for.
Continue to go down this line to give you other streets or other communities that will be affected.
I'm making a video.
104 Cairo.
What the? Get my Edward off your thing.
Supposed to be on SP1. What's it supposed to be on?
Automatic. Turn it to automatic. Oh, look at his on over there.
I ain't never seen it. That's what I'm saying. I've never seen it.
No, it's level with his driveway.
You don't usually do his that way.
No, and out there, come over here and you'll see. It's over his. I say it gets to the sidewalk.
Whoa!
Let's go back inside. You coming?
Okay. We do have, can we switch over to our 3D storm scan information here for just a moment? And I'm going to have this in 2D, but I want you to notice, I'm going to move my cursor slowly right here. See this upside down triangle that's just to the west of Gallatin? That is indicating that there is rotation. And we see this column coming down just below it that shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items on that column. And that is indicating that there is rotation in 7 and 8.
Man, the yard's flooded.